Hello friend, good morning to all of you. We have discussed about the chapter work energy power, but today we are going to discuss about the power, the time rate of work is called power, or the work done for any time is known as power. Power equal to work done by time taken, and power is equal to work done by time and W by T, delta T. Here the average power equal to delta omega by delta T, and if we take in instantaneous power d omega by dt, as we know that omega and work is equal to force into time, F dot force into displacement here, and W बराबर F into S, and d by dt here F dot dx by dt is known as velocity here, so that instantaneous power is equal to F dot V. Now unit of power is, in this case, W is joule and this is a time, joule per second here, and also we know that the unit of this is Newton and this is meter per second, so that unit of power is Newton meter per second DC, and as you see here, the unit of power is watt. The large unit of power 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt, and as we can written as 1 horsepower equal to 746 watt. Now we will take the example here. In this case, this is the earth and this is the earth, and mass M. A and B are two pulleys. And this is the mass of body M. Pulley A carries it at this position. 10 meter height, and pulley B also this position 10 meter height. Time taken by this is 60 seconds. Time taken T equal to 60 seconds, and this is T equal to 30 seconds here. Then we have to calculate the power of A and power of B here. Now see here, power of A, PA equal to here power of A. Power means here in this case the pulley take the goods at the height of 10 meter. This is work done against the force of gravity, so that work done equal to mgh here, mgh by T, mgh by T, work done equal to this. This is PA equal to mgh is equal to 10 by T is equal to 60 seconds. And power of B, power of pulley B, PB equal to power of pulley B equal to, this is mg, here also 10 divided by 30 seconds. Now power of A divided by, now power of A divided by power of B, power of A divided by power of B equal to power of A mg into 10 divided by 60 into power of B. This comes here, mg into 10. This is equal to, in this case, 1 by mg cancel, this cancel 1 by 2. So power of B equal to 2 into power of A here in this case. Now power of A here, vertical circular motion. Let us suppose that particle A move in the vertical circular motion of mass m and its velocity is v. Now we take the position B and C. Here in this case, the tension creates in the string T toward the center of the circular path, and here acting as pseudo force. Now here this weight is mg downward. It divided two parts, two component. One is mg cos theta and other is mg sin theta. In this case, the particle is moving in this direction, so that the particle here weight of the particle is mg, that is mg sin theta and mg cos theta. Now from A to B, it move from this direction here in this case. This direction here in this case, T is the tension acting toward the center, so that T minus mg cos theta, that is equal to mv square by L by the Newton's second law. Here centripetal force. In this case, L is the length of the string and v is the velocity of the particle on this case, so that T equal to, this is mg cos theta here plus mg cos theta plus mv square by L. mv square by L is the centripetal force. Here this is the centripetal force acting toward the center in this case. Now current tension 0 in between A to B. In A to B, tension created in the string, it may be 0. Current tension 0 in between A to B. A to B tension will never be 0. Never be 0 between A to B, because if the tension 0, then that particle cannot move in this direction here. Now from B to C, in this case here B to C, let us suppose that particle at this point and its mass mg in downward direction, then its two components mg sin theta and mg cos theta here, and tension also acting toward the center of the circular path here, so that tension here and mg cos theta also here both added T plus mv cos theta is equal to the centripetal force, in this case pseudo force in this direction here, mv square by L, so that T equal to mv square by L minus mg cos theta. In this case, tension 0 between B to C. Yes, it may be possible tension may be 0 in the string any time. This case possible if the mg cos theta and equal to mv square by L. If this condition holds, in that cases tension created in the string is 0 in this case. Now we can calculate the velocity of the particle. Calculate by this formula. Now here calculation of minimum speed that the particle complete the cycle. This is a particle and we have to calculate minimum speed of this to complete the one cycle here. Now in this case, let us suppose that length of the string is L and move in a circular path in a vertical position here, and tension always acting toward the center of the path here, TA, and in this case tension also in downward direction and weight of particle also in mg in the downward direction. In this case A to C, in this case mg that weight is in downward, and also in this case the weight and this provide the tension force toward this, and this is according to the Newton's second law that provide the centripetal force mass into acceleration, and mv square by r. In this case mv square and vc square by L here, so that mg equal to the mvc square by L. Vc is the speed of the particle at the position C here. In this case m cancel gl and vc equal to under lj. This is the minimum velocity at the C. In this case, now we take the position A here, the minimum velocity. Now take the reference potential energy equal to 0 in this position, and VA is the minimum velocity at this position. Now mechanical energy conservation at A to C, it means that total energy at A, potential energy and kinetic energy, sum of potential energy and kinetic energy is equal to the sum of potential and kinetic energy at the C. K is the kinetic energy at position A, and U is the potential energy at position A. Kc is the kinetic energy at position C, and UC is the potential energy at position C. Here in this case, kinetic energy at potential A in this 1 by 2 mv square. We use minimum velocity for this to calculate the particle in one cycle. Here 1 by 2 mv minimum square. mgh potential energy here h is 0, so that this will be equal to 0, and at the position C kinetic energy 1 by 2 mvc square here plus mg. Here potential energy mg and h is L plus L 2L, mg plus 2L in this case, so that half mv minimum square equal to 1 by 2 vc. Here vc is the velocity at the point C, minimum velocity. Here C square Lg, we use the Lg and 2 mgl. Here in this case now 2 to the 4 15 mgl by 2, m and m cancel and 2 and 2 cancel, so that V minimum is equal to under 5 Lg, mm cancel here. Now thus this is the minimum velocity to provide the particle to complete the one cycle. Minimum velocity of this at this position, then complete this cycle. Now when the velocity minimum is under 5 L by V, in this case we see the tension minus mg is equal to mv square. Here tension minus mv is equal to mv square by L. In this case, putting T equal to mg m by L v square under 5 Lg, putting this, so that 5 mg LL cancel, 5 mg plus mg 6 mg m cancel. At the position A, tension at the position A is the tension created in this string is the 6 mg. Now tension in string will be 6 mg at 6 mg. At tension at B in this time T is equal to mv square by L, as we know that tension is that provide the centripetal force mv square by L. Here tension T is provided by the centripetal force Tb equal to mv square by L. Conservation mechanical energy, kinetic energy at the position A, here 1 by 2 m, here 1 by 2 mv square v square is 5 Lg, and potential energy 0 in this position, and this here in this case 1 by 2 m Vb square V and Vb square in this case, and Vb in this case this is a, now this is the 1 by 2 m 5 m plus 0, and Kb 1 by 2 m Vb square. Vb is the velocity at the position B here, and potential energy mg h is equal to L here. This is here. Now this term comes here, and this is 5 by 2 mgl minus L. 5 by 2 mgl, this comes here, so that minus mgl, this comes here, total changing this, so that 5 by 2 mgl minus mgl, this is a 3 by 2 mgl, and 3 by 2 cancel, and mm cancel, so that Vb square is equal to 3 gl, and Vb is equal to under 3 gl. Tension in the string at the position Tb is equal to mv square by L. M is this, and V is the velocity at the position B is this, so that tension is equal to LL cancel 3 mg at B. It means that tension at B is equal to 3 mg, tension at A is equal to 6 mg. Now here circular motion of a particle in a sphere. Here mass of the particle is m, and this is the normal force acting toward the center of the circular path, and let us, this is the light string here. This is the length of this string is L, so that the minimum velocity equal to under 5 gl, just we calculate here. Now when the particle is attached to a light rod, this is a light rod, a particle attached, mass of this is m, and move in this direction here. In this case so that the here velocity is the 0 and take the reference point potential energy P equal to 0. Minimum velocity at this is here. Mechanical conservation A to B, so the total energy at A, kinetic energy and potential energy is equal to the total energy at B, kinetic energy and potential energy by the mechanical conservation energy at A and B. K is the potential energy and K is the kinetic energy at the position A. U is the potential energy at A and KB is the kinetic energy at B. UB is the kinetic energy at D. So that kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 mv square at K here in this position. A 1 by 2 mv minimum square plus potential energy mg H is equal to 0, so that potential energy U A equal to 0. 1 by 2 m here in this case is velocity 0, so that 1 by 2 m v square this is equal to 0 and potential energy mg and H is equal to L plus L 2L mg 2L. In this case this is 0, so that mn cancel and 2 to 4 GL, so that minimum velocity V is equal to under root 4 GL. In this case, if you take the light rod, that is a small, very small, its mass. Now, different situations, vertical circular motion in a tube, this is the tube and mass. This is the normal force and weight of this. In this case, velocity is 0, so that minimum normal force acting in the center of the path, so that minimum velocity at this position is just like a light rod, so that its minimum velocity at this position is under 4 GL. Now, like, subscribe, share my videos. Thank you.